Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to switch accounts in Heyday. So if you also want to switch accounts in Heyday, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Heyday application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. At top left corner, you'll be able to see the star. Right below it, you'll be able to see three lines. All you have to do is tap on it. Now here you can see three options: edit mode, scenic mode and settings. What you have to do is tap on the option settings. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You can see several options over here. You can see the option for music, sounds, language. In order to switch the accounts, you need to be connected to Supercell ID. If you're not connected to Supercell ID, you'll be able to see the login option instead of connected. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, follow through the prompts and you'll be connected to Supercell ID. After that, you'll be able to see the connected button over here. In order to switch the accounts, all you have to do is tap on the button connected. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to see the gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You can see several options over here. Scroll down a bit. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for switch account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you have logged into other Supercell ID, it will be displayed over here. All you have to do is tap on it. But if you haven't, all you have to do is tap on the option log into Supercell ID. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the continue option. Now after that, what you have to do is log into your Supercell ID. After that, you'll be logged into that account and your accounts will be switched. So that is how you switch accounts in Heyday. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.